The holiday season's coming up fast, and I'm going to show you how to make some quick crystal tree earrings that you can make using all the same components. But by switching out the color crystals, it's going to give you a variety of different choices, which can save you time and money. I'm Elaine. I'm a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. Join me today because I'm going to show you how to make these wonderful homemade earrings that you can give as a gift or sell at your boutiques or online stores.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Here you can see I have an array of margarita beads. We have some primary colors, some green, and we also have shimmer effects that has an AB. These are my favorite. Even though there's like green, I know it's a traditional tree color, but these crystal ones are my favorite because I can wear them with anything. And also you can see the components are all the same for each of the earrings that I'm making. There's head pins and there's bead caps and ear wires. Here we have the traditional green Christmas tree that always goes with all your Christmas attire. All right, these are my favorite because they go with every outfit that I have. Here we have the amethyst. I love amethyst as well. Amethyst is my birthstone. The ice blue. What a wonderful winterland color. Here's another AB looking. These are beautiful. They have very shimmering rainbow colors. And we have the red. And you can see that I've made 6 different pair earrings, but they all have the same components. And that's what's going to save you time and money because you're just going to switch out your crystal colors and use the same components. It's easy peasy. All right, let's make this earring. So I'm going to start off with a head pin, and I'm going to first add a bead cap. And this is great because this acts as your little tree skirt. And I'm going to start adding the crystal margarita beads. And I'm going to go largest to smallest. So I'm going to start off with a 10 millimeter bead. And as you can see, it's so easy to assemble. This is a great crafting idea that you can do. I'm going to add now the 8 millimeter bead. And down to a 6 millimeter. You know, you can buy all the components separate and let somebody else make their own pair of earrings. It's very versatile. And now I'm going to add the 4 millimeter bicone to top it off. As you can see, just by switching out the crystal colors, use your imagination about how this will look with different color crystals. You know, you can mix and match the colors. You can mix the green with the crystal. You can mix the red with the green. Your imagination is limitless. And it's really personal when you start doing that. And you can customize any type of tree that you like. All right, now I'm going to take my chain nose plier and I'm going to take and bend that wire. We're going to go all the way to a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to take my round nose plier, put just underneath there and just flip that over, and we're just making a top loop at the top. This is a great project that you can do, you know, with your daughter or with your niece, and just it's a really good holiday project because it's so simple and easy. Now I'm going to take my flesh cutters and I'm going to go in and nip really close there. And see how easy that is? I mean, we're almost done. Now we're just going to take the ear wire and I'm going to attach it, if I can get that turned around there. So, Christmas. This is a great time for gift giving and everything, but wouldn't this be great for a great Secret Santa gift? It's inexpensive. You can actually get all the different color crystals and let the person have one of each color. Okay, and then I'm just going to close that up, and look how easy that was. Look at how cute that is. It took me, a few seconds to do? And I also did one earlier, so now we actually, yes, we do have a pair. I'm not going to just give one earring. So, and there we go. And just so, again, look how versatile it is, using all the same components, and all you have to do to personalize or get creative is change out those crystal colors. How many can you make for all your friends and family? Thank you for joining me today. I'm sure you're going to love this gift giving and reselling idea. And all the products shown in this video today are in the links below. And until next time, we'll see you soon.